Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So at the moment I am currently getting ready for work. So this video I want to do a video with no powders, and I want to show you guys how it looks on me, and I'll post a picture on my Instagram at the end of the day. If you want to go ahead and follow my Instagram, I'll link it down below. That way you can see what it looks like with no powders at the end of the day. So let's go ahead and get started because I'm gonna be late and I don't need to be late. All right, take off these glasses. All right, so I'm going in with the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright. I'm just gonna put that all. I just like to put this all over my face. Then I go ahead and take my favorite foundation, the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in 7.5, and I just apply that to my finger, and then I just start dabbing it all over my face. Now if you're an oily person, I don't think I would suggest not using any powders, or at least set the areas that you know that need to be set in your foundation. Okay, let's take our beauty blender, and I have to get kind of close because I'm not wearing any contacts to work, so I need to make sure I don't have any weird, missing spots on my face, because that's embarrassing. And get your ears, bring it down. Gotta make sure we get every single spot. Then taking my Laura Mercier Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion concealer in 2W. Not too much. And we're just gonna blend that on out. And I like to go in this part right here because I get dark spots right there. Taking my Wet n Wild contour stick in 806 Where's Walnut. And then I'm taking a Lexi 660 brush. I'm just gonna blend this on out. Okay, the only powder we're gonna use is highlight, and I'm using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter palette. Only powder that we're using. Next, I'm using the Superhero from It Cosmetics mascara. Next, I'm taking the Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine lip liner. And taking my She's Expensive from Patrick Ta Major Glow and throwing a gloss. And there you have it, all creams. Just the highlighter was just a powder. So this is what my face looks like for the day, for today. I was like, where's my glasses? And all we need is my glasses. And I have thicker brows, so I don't really do anything with my brows. So like I said, I'll go ahead and put a picture later on today posting what with no powders look like at the end of the day for me. Yeah, I really like the way this comes out. I've been wearing like this look for a little while and I really like it. I just want to see what you guys think, and if you like it or if you want to try it. Literally this took me like 8 minutes, so now I need to go to work because I work at a clinic. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Be sure to click that bell at the bottom. That way when I post a video, you guys will get notified from YouTube, as well as comment down something below of what you liked about today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.